Owning a car that is not reliable and fuel efficient can really impact your financial goals. The cars on this list may look like ordinary vehicles, but they are not what you think, because they offer incredible value and reliability without breaking the bank. Fun fact, all of the cars listed on this video I personally driven and maintained. And the last car is by far my favorite, and it's currently my daily driver. So now, let's dive into why these cars are perfect for frugal people. First, let's establish a few things. All cars on this list you can still find for under 6,000 Australian dollars. Manual versions of these cars are a little cheaper here in Kangaroo Land, but majority of the time you will find automatic transmission versions of these cars listed up for sale. First on our list, we have the Toyota Corolla. The Corolla is synonymous with reliability and longevity. It's one of the best-selling cars worldwide for a reason. It's incredibly dependable.
So reliable you could practically weld the hood shut and drive it forever. The 99 Corolla.
If you're looking for a hassle-free car that will last you for years with minimal issues, the Toyota Corolla is an excellent choice. Toyotas can easily go over 500,000 kilometers without needing much more than oil and filter changes along with the brakes. The bottom line is, if you treat her well, she will treat you well. Next up is the Honda Civic.
Jesus!
The Civic is known for its outstanding reliability, fuel efficiency, and low maintenance costs. Whether you're looking for a sedan or a hot hatch, the Civic offers a variety of models to fit your needs. It's a great all-around car that holds its value well. After a quick search on Facebook Marketplace, here's one I found. This particular model can come with a 2.0 liter or a 1.8 liter engine. I advise you to go with the 1.8 liter version for better fuel mileage. This car is fun to drive and handles well. I recommend this mainly to singles, but I think it has enough room to cater for small families. Our third pick is the Mitsubishi Lancer. Known for its sporty look and solid performance, the Lancer is a great option for those who want a bit more excitement in their drive, without sacrificing reliability or affordability. The Lancer's maintenance costs are relatively low, making it a frugal choice for those who want a stylish yet dependable vehicle. The year model that I suggest are between 1997 to 2003 models, which has the 1.8 liter 4G93 engine. I managed to drive mine over 300,000 kilometers before they died on me. I recommend this one to students and singles. This car was so good that I owned 2 of these before I moved on to the next car on the list. For the grand finale, and my favorite car, is the Honda Jazz, also known as the Honda Fit in some markets. This compact car is incredibly versatile with its magic seats, allowing you to configure the interior to maximize cargo space. I even managed to fit a kayak in there. It's very fuel efficient, easy to drive, and has a reputation for being reliable. The Honda Jazz is perfect for those who need a practical car that doesn't compromise on space or performance. I suggest you to get the 1.5 liter engine model, cause more power baby, and it also uses only 4 spark plugs, unlike the 1.3 liter version which uses 8 spark plugs. So far, I've owned mine for 4 years and never looked back. And the only major thing I had to replace in that timeline was the transmission mount. And that's about it. And there you have it. Here are the 4 cars that I recommend for frugal people. If you want to see more frugal videos like this one, please like and subscribe.